Today we're going to use My StoryMaker, and this comes from the Carnegie Library of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I did a quick Google search for it up here, and this is what came up. You'll have a link that I'll be giving you, but I don't need to show that to you right now. So I'm just going to click on the link here, My StoryMaker, give it a double click. Now it's saying, because I'm using Google Chrome, it's saying that I need to get Adobe Flash. Now this is an older program, so I'm glad this came up. So I'm going to click on it, and now I'm going to click Allow. So it opens up. You're going to hear some music. I'm going to see if I can turn that down. And I'm not loading a previously created story. Now I'll show you this at the end. I want to click here to begin. And I need to type a name, so I'll type in, I'll make up my name. I'll call myself Joe. Click OK. And what do I want my character to be? Let's see, I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go down, and I want to be a pirate. And what is your main character's goal? My character is to make friends. Pirates have trouble making friends. And who's he going to make friends with? Well, I'm going to go up here again and see if I can find a character that I think he should be making friends with. Let's see. A mermaid. Pirates and mermaids go together. So I'll click OK. The Pirate Who Made Friends with a Mermaid by Joe. So it gave me a title. It created one. Okay, start my story.
Hi,
now,
I'm a story helper. I'm here to help you write your story. So what would you like to do?
Now right here, this guy is great. Now for you, I would recommend that you play the instructions. Okay? But for our purposes, I'm just going to start a story. But when you come to this, you want to play the instructions and see what the story helper does. But I'm going to start a brand new story. So there's my pirate. He's in the story now, but I don't like the setting in the background. It kind of looks like snow or something. So I need to give my pirate a new setting. So I'll go down here. Here's a good one. So here he is. Pirate's near the beach. He's on the beach near the ocean. And once upon a time, I'm going to add to the story, and I'm using my typing skills. Once upon a time, there was a lonely pirate. Now, spelling doesn't count. You just want to write your story. So there's page 1. And I am now going to create a new one. And let's see if I remember correctly. I'm going to click right up here. Let's see. Right here. Click right here. So right up here, you're going to see there is slide 1. I'm on slide 2. I can see here. And I want to add a character. So here is my character. But maybe before I do that, I'm going to get rid of her. I can drag her off and she'll go poof. I want to add some scenery to this. So a pirate needs a ship. I'm going to move it here. And I'm going to type the pirate. Let's see. He was lonely because his ship was out of the water. So I've added something here. Punctuation, I added a period. Sentence begins with a capital letter. And I'm going to go over to here. And maybe I want to add something else. And I'm going to give this, what is this? Like a magic, I'm going to call it a magic teapot. Okay. And let's see. No, I don't want that in here. Oh, I am on slide 3, so I'll put it down. Let's see. He found a magic lantern, just like Aladdin. Period. Now the next one, slide 4, when he rubbed the magic lantern, a mermaid appeared. Period. Now I have to put the mermaid in here. So I'm going to have her turn here. I can move the ship over to here. In fact, if I want to, I can even move the ship right out of the scene. So I'm now going to go over to here, page 5, and I'm going to set some emotions. So I want them to interact, and I'm going to have interact. I could have them cast a spell. I could fight, give, kiss. We don't have any kissing. We could shake. We could throw too. I could even have them dance. So I could even talk. I'm going to have her talk. And she's going to say, am I glad to see you! Exclamation point. And on the next one, we're on slide 6, I'm going to have the pirate. We're going to have him. Let's see, I'm going to have him dance. He's going to be so happy. The pirate dance while holding, we're going to insert this, the magic lamp, and he's dancing around. So I don't want to spend a whole lot of time doing this, but I could just keep going and going and going. But I want to stop now. I've got 6 slides. Once upon a time, there was a lonely pirate. He was lonely because the ship was out of the water. He found a magic lantern, and maybe I want to change that because they called it a lamp, so I can do that. So what I'm doing now is editing. We're going to number 4. He rubbed the magic lamp, and a mermaid appeared. And number 5, she says, am I glad to see you? And on the next one, he dances. And I could just keep going and going and going with this story. But now I'm at the point where I want to finish. So right here it says end. And it's publishing my book. If I want to view it, I can view it here, the pirate who made friends, and it goes on and on. But the unfortunate thing about this is you cannot edit it. So once it's done, it's done. I can create a new one, but I cannot go back into this one and edit it. I can create a new, I can share it, I can download the story, But right now, I want to show you this. So I'm going to click share, and I could write in someone's email if I wanted to put in mine, if I wanted to put in mom's or dad's or somebody, and they would get it. But here, I want to focus on this. PGT0333. PGT033. So what I'm going to do now, if I go back to my StoryMaker, and if you remember, it said load a previously created story. Because I have that magic PGT033, I can click on it, and there's my story online. All right, so there's a quick overview of how to use my StoryMaker. I think you're going to have a lot of fun with this. If you ever want to send it to me, you know my email address is at the bottom of my webpage. So all you have to do is go down here, find my email, do a cut and paste, and send it to me if you want to do that. I would love to see your My StoryMaker when you are done. So have fun with this.